Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So, this reading is for all the Capricorns, and we will be looking at your December. So, we will check your theme, your challenge, your blessing, and a message from your spirit guides. So, let's start. Let's see what do we have. Theme, challenge, blessing, and a message from spirit guides. And a message. So, okay. Look at the message. Okay, let's start. So, with the theme, we have planning and action. Let me clarify the cards first. Okay. If you have been feeling that something is not going according to your plan, the way you expected, the way you were wanting to execute it, the way you wanted to act on it, something has been going against your wishes, against your plannings, against your timing. Okay, some of you, I do feel that you have healed yourself a lot. Okay, you are in your healing energy, you are healing yourself a lot, and you are in your complete empress energy, or if you are a male watching this, then you are completely in your emperor energy. Okay, but the only thing is that I feel that something did not go against something did not go according to your plan. Okay, and something is not going according to your plan in the month of December itself, and that is something which can make you feel a bit disappointed, a bit upset as well. I do see that some of you may even blame yourself. You may start blaming yourself that it's probably because of you why things did not work, it's probably because of me why I couldn't do this, why I couldn't do that, why I couldn't get married, why I couldn't give birth to a child, etc, etc. It can be different things, but that is not the case. This is what universe is trying to tell you. Okay, probably uh, the wish that you wanted, okay, whatever your wish was, okay, whatever you wanted, that was not the right time. Okay, for some, I do see that there can be some kind of financial issues. Maybe universe wanted you to work more on your finances. For some, it can be health issues. Probably universe wanted you to work on your health more, and that is the time when you are in your healthiest state. That is the time when this wish is going to come true for you. Okay, for some, it can be marriage as well. Let me just see this. I don't know why, but some of you have been wanting to get married. But the question is, are you really prepared for marriage? Okay, 1111 can be an important number for you. 1111 seems to be an important sign for you. Everything is going to happen at divine timing as well. Okay, nobody on this earth can snatch away any blessing that belongs to you. That is one strict message. Okay, so whatever you are doing, I think one thing, I don't know guys, but I just feel that you may feel really exhausted, and you might want to give up. I see some of you crying over a certain wish of yours. Okay, no matter how much you plan, no matter what you do, you may feel that something is not really going in your favor. Okay, and that can be the theme. Okay, But let me tell you, it's you know, it's not just about you. There's something else also, which is kind of blocking your wishes. Let's see what is the challenge here. So in challenge we got the card of travel. Okay. Hmm. Now, the challenge here is that someone from your past who has kind of deceived you, or someone who has kind of manipulated you, come comes back to your life. Okay, they definitely want. I think they were not willing to take a risk, or they were not willing to take a chance when it comes to you because of their own fears. Probably, every time they wanted to take an action, there was someone, or probably even their gut, there was someone who was telling them not to do this, not to do this. Okay, but anyhow, I do see that this person has taken a chance on you. They are taking a risk, or probably you are also going to take a risk, whatever it may be. But the only challenge is going to be for you is to go with the flow with this person, or trust this person. Okay, you have a long way to go with this person, let me tell you this. Okay, you will be asked to come out of your comfort zone. You will be asked to travel along this journey. Universe is asking you to travel along this journey, but then the only thing is that it is very difficult for you to accept the situation the way it is. It is very difficult for you to enter into a relationship, especially with a past person. For some it can be a new person also, but your past hurts, your past experiences can really you know take you back from a blessing. Okay, and that is the whole challenge all about. It's like whether you can really listen to the guidance of universe or not, whether you can really put your past experiences behind or not. And that is going to be the major challenge for you. It is very important, because I think here also, if I now connect with the cards, I think you are in your beautiful energy, but the only thing is the past. Okay, here also I feel that some things have happened in the past which kind of really um which has put you through a lot of struggle, a lot of terrible times, a lot of shit as well. And probably that is the reason that when that happiness arrives, when that wish of yours is finally coming true, you are taking a step back. Okay, so I do see that there's going to be some taking a step back energy, not really wanting to take a chance, especially because of your past heartbreaks. You have been deceived before, you don't want to be deceived again. So that is the kind of energy that I see here for you. Let's see the blessing. In blessing we have ascended masters. Okay, see, the blessing for you is that because you have ascended master. So firstly, what happens is when everything is in control, in the control of universe. Okay, when God is taking the control of your life, he can change anything. Okay, he can change a bad person into a good person, he can change a karmic situation into a blessing, he can change a karmic or a narcissist into a soulmate or an empath. He can do anything that he wishes if he wants to. Okay, and this is exactly what is happening here. Your biggest lesson, or your biggest past hurt, changes or transforms into your biggest blessing, because there has been someone who has been acting really weird. This person had certain karmic situation with you, you had certain karmic knots with this person, there was a karmic debris. Probably either this person did not treat you right, or even you did not treat this person right. Whatever the case has been, there has been a karmic situation between both of you, but now universe is changing that situation. Universe is transforming that karmic situation into a blessing. Okay, into a star. So it's like, it's the universe who is doing everything. It's the universe who is taking the charge of your life. I don't think that you should be doubting, I don't think that you should be worrying about anything. Okay, the one who hurt you is going to be the one who's going to love you the most. This is the energy of December Capricorns. Okay, though I do see that you will have to see things from a fresh perspective, you will have to forgive, you will have to learn or adapt to a new belief system, you will have to balance out certain emotions, you will have to balance your mind and heart. But this is the blessing, okay? This is the blessing. A bad guy changes into an amazing man, a bad woman changes into an amazing woman, and this is all because God is making this happen. God is playing a huge role in your love story, in your family life, in your married life, whatever it may be. Okay, let's look at what are your spirit guides wanting you to know. So for that, we have the card of transformation. Let's look at the message. Emperor, like I said, see, that is what it is. I think someone who is having ego regarding this connection, or if you were having ego, or if your person was having ego about this relationship, about you, or whatever, I think this person's ego has been crushed completely. Okay, I think this person earlier used to use their mind a lot. Okay, and they have realized that this mind game is something which is not going to work. So they have given up this mind game completely, because they are understanding that this mind game, or whenever they listen to their mind, it only adds on to a lot of burden. Okay, they only experience burden, and there's never no solution, and which is the reason why this person wants to bring a change in themselves, in their behavior. Okay, so their love towards you is going to be more pure. Okay, they will come to you with purity, they are going to act as a true divine masculine or a true divine feminine in your life. Okay, and I also feel that for some, those who are for some, if you are a male watching this, I don't know why, but I have a very strong feeling that there has been some male figure in your life who has been a big block in your relationship. Okay, जिन्होंने बहुत फूट डालने की कोशिश की है. So universe is also removing this person, and you are also realizing who this person is. Okay, I just see another male energy, there's no another female energy. So again, like I said, there's a beautiful union on the cards, there's a beautiful transformation, okay, on the cards. You will experience a transformation. It's just that you need to have more trust on universe. Please do not give up on universe. Okay, give up on anything but the universe really loves you a lot. Okay, your guru, your ancestors, whomsoever they are, they really love you a lot, and they are making a lot of things work for you. It's just that you cannot see it clearly, but I hope this reading is going to give you some clarity about what I am talking about. And I think that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.